we make the library cataloging system, so we are here to implement the recommendations of MAM. The first of the recommendations is to add a publisher. Second is don't remove the previous input to see it. Third, put the sort inside the search so it wouldn't get messy. The fourth is make the sort friendly user to understand para mas madaling maintindihan ng mga user. And ang panlima is you cannot change the ISBN since it is permanent or unique to each books. So let's tackle it one by one. So first is add a publisher. So first let's go to change catalog to go to the CRUD, then add a book. So it will ask us to put an ISBN unique to one. So let's try putting 10 ones. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then input, then book title. Let's say War and Land. Then enter author name. Let's say it's Lands. Then as you can see now, before hindi po tayo nakapaglagay ng publisher. So as by Ma'am's recommendation, we add a publisher completing one of his task. So publisher, let's say the Martins Books. Then publication year is 2020. So the publication year only accepts 1000 to the present. It cannot, di po siya nag-accept ng 2026 to the forward. So let's say the 2020. Then genre is fiction. Then shelf po siya. Then A. So it will ask us to confirm the details. Pag yes po is ma-add po siya sa ating catalog. If no is mawala po siya lahat or hindi po siya ma-add. So let's say yes. Then it says book added successfully. So now let's go to the one or view our catalog. Nakikita nyo po yung input natin kanina doon, which is yung War and Land here. Ito pong apat na to is parang nilagay ko na for back end. Nilagay ko na. Ito po is nilagay ko lang kanina. So ang pangalawa niya po is don't remove the previous input. Is nakita nyo naman po kanina is hindi na po siya nawawala kada type ng input. So naayos din po yan is put the sort inside the search. Dati po is maghiwalay po yung search, then dito po yung search. So ngayon pinagsama na po natin siya, makikita po natin siya. So punta tayo sa loob ng search books. So enter search keyword. So let's type war. Since yun po yung title lang, unang title lang books natin, then war. So ito po yung nilagay natin, meron po siyang kamukhang war title. So sa search po is hanapin niya po yung keyword. Pwede po siyang title, pwede po siyang pangalan ng author, pwede po siyang publisher, lalabas po siya. Pwede din po siyang genre, lalabas po siya doon. So dahil ang keyword natin is war, lumabas po ang dalawang books. Nung una po is War and Peace, yung naka-input na po, and then yung War and Land, yung input natin po kanina. So dito naman po sa make the sort user easy to understand, binago na po namin siya here. So makikita nyo po yung current filter. So pinifilter po siya ng una by the author, by the author's first name, which is this. So makita nyo po parehas po silang L. Then nauna po yung may A sa E. Then ascending po siya. Nauna po yung mataas. So dito po makikita po natin is sort by category. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 for title, 2 for author, 3 for year for the publisher, then A for ascending, D for descending. So try naman po natin i-filter po siya for the publisher. So lagay po natin dito is publisher is 4. So 4 po. So makikita po natin siya, nagbago na po ito. Dati po siya is title, ngayon na publisher. So nabago din po ito. Nauna na po yung Bottom Classics sa Martin Books kasi po mas nauna po tong B. So let's try naman pong descending. Mauna po yung mababa. So para po descending is D. So, yun po, nagbago po uli siya. So, pwede po siya, mamimili lang po kayo dito kung ano po yung gusto nyo. Makikita nyo din po din yung current filter. You cannot change the ISBN is the last recommendation of ma'am. So, tayo naman tayong balik tayo sa main menu, 0. Then, tayo sa 2. Okay, change catalog. Then, update. So, enter ISBN of book to update. So, lagay po natin yung input natin which is 10 ones. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, current, makikita, pag po nilagay natin yung enter ISBN, makikita po natin yung current details ng book na sinearch po natin. So, makikita nyo po dito, di na po nababago yung ISBN niya tulad po ng dati. As per recommendation of ma'am, in-implement lang po namin. So, ngayon po, mababago na lang po siya per title, author, publisher, year, genre, shelf, or all fields. Let's say we want to change the title. So, 1. So, enter new book title. Let's say it's Die Hard. So, enter. So, i-ask po tayo kung updated book details po siya. So, makikita po natin yung title po is na bago. So, i-ask po ng user kung confirm daw po yung changes or yung update. So, let's say yes. So, book updated successfully. So, let's continue. Then, let's view the catalog if the change really occur. So, 1. So, ayan, makikita po natin yung ISBN niya po is 111. Then, same author, same publisher, same year, same genre, same shelf. So, nabago lang po yung title niya. So, na-implement po namin yung 5 recommendations per ma'am. So, let's try naman natin yung isa pang din natatry. So, main menu. So, change catalog. Let's try deleting what we input or yung 111 na ISBN. So, 3. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. O, pagka-search po natin ng ISBN, ipapakita po ng system natin yung mga information tungkol sa books na yan. So, makita po natin yung title niya is Die Hard, yung ISBN niya po. Then, i-ask po tayo ng user kung i-delete po natin siya. So, yes. So, sabihin niya po is book deleted successfully. So, tingnan po natin sa shelf. So, nawala na po siya. So, yun lang po. 0. Then, exit. So, yun lang po. Na-implement po namin lahat ng suggestions by ma'am. So, na-add po namin na publisher. Na-remove din po namin yung previous. Di na po namin nire-remove previous input para po makita ng user and user-friendly po siya. So, pinut din po namin po yung sort sa inside ng search para po mas madaling maintindihan. Then, ginawa po namin user-friendly yung search compared sa dati para po mas madaling maintindihan. Then, hindi din po nababago yung ISBN since it is unique for each book. So, yun lang po.